Hi, I'm Zamantungwa Khumalo, and here are 3 top tips for house hunting. First, work with an estate agent. I know you probably think you can do it, but working with an agent really does make a difference in finding your dream home. Secondly, know what you can afford. Understanding what you can afford helps your search tremendously. Work with an affordability calculator to calculate just about how much you can afford. Lastly, know what your deal breakers are. Are you looking for a 2-bed, a 2-bath? Must you have a garden? Understanding what your deal breakers are helps you shortlist the best properties that you can move into. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.